Crafting each Jupiter involves relentless attention to detail and time-intensive manufacturing processes that lead to a better ride, greater strength, and longer life. Our hand-laid three-piece construction delivers more interior room and a quieter ride with liner adhesion and bolt spacing that simply can't be accomplished using two-piece construction. Jupiters employ resin-infused construction, answering the demand for lighter, stronger parts. And vacuum infusion creates a more precisely engineered end product. Simply put, that's how you build a legend.
Our Jupiter construction process we've developed over the years to be stronger and more overbuilt than most of the competition out there. I'm probably going to say all the competition out there, but I focus on what we're doing here instead of what everybody else is doing. But we found over the years that we overbuild the product and it's delivered us great success.